Hi, my name is Jolyn Wang, and today I will be speaking about triangle congruence postulates. Side, side, side can prove that triangles are congruent because if three corresponding sides have the same length, then the triangles are congruent. Moving on to angle, angle, angle. So with angle, 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 the three corresponding angles are congruent. This would be the first angle, the second A, and then the third A. However, this cannot prove congruency because the triangle can be dilated, reduced, or enlarged, and the angles would remain the same, but the side lengths could be very different. Angle, angle, angle implies that the triangles are similar, but not necessarily congruent. Next is side, angle, side. The side, angle, side rule states that if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to two sides and the included angle of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. This is because if I get rid of this side, these two corresponding sides are congruent and the angle is 2, I have no choice but to connect it here in order to make this a triangle. So since both of these sides are the same, then it is congruent. For example, using the side angle side rule. So if BA equals to ED and BC equals to EF and angle B equals to angle E, then by the SAS postulate, the triangle ABC is congruent to the triangle DEF. Next is angle side angle. This would be the A, the angle, and then this is the side, and then this is the second angle. I can extend this line here, but and then in order to make this a triangle, I would have to make a side right here, but I would have to follow this angle, so I would only have one option, and I could only make one kind of a triangle, just like side angle side. So then it would be congruent. An example for this is if AB equals to DE, and angle A equals to angle D, and angle B equals to angle E, then by the angle side angle postulate, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Next is the angle angle side postulate. So this is the first angle, this is the second A, and then this side. So this side is not constrained because the postulate does not state that this side is congruent, but this line that starts here is the only line that keeps this angle and can connect the two sides. So this postulate would prove to be congruent. An example would be if angle A equals to angle D, and angle B equals to angle E, and BC equals to EF, then by the angle side postulate, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Finally, side-side angle. It does not prove congruency because you can still change two angles and one side, so this triangle can still vary. So it does not prove congruency. Thank you so much for watching.